First, you're going to want to make sure that you have all the right pieces. So you need the footprint, which keeps water from coming in the tent through the bottom, the tent body, which is the main part you sleep in, and the rain fly, which protects you from the rain, and this part is you only need if you think it's going to rain. And then the tent poles, which make it stand up, and then this is a freestanding tent, so it doesn't have the stakes, but most tents will need stakes also.
When you start setting up your tent, first you're going to want to find a flat piece of durable ground and brush away any big rocks or sticks. You should also make sure you're not under any dead trees so that branches don't fall on you. Then you'll lay the footprint down and then lay the tent body on top, making sure it's facing the right direction and isn't unzipped or inside out. Next, you connect the poles together and push them into their spots on each corner of the tent body. They should just click into place. Then you just clip the poles into place along the corners of the tent, making sure to get each clip. There is usually a special clip at the top of the tent to keep the top upright. Finally, you put the rain fly on top, if you're using it, and it usually clips into the corners of the tent body or footprint. If you're using stakes, make sure to pull the rain fly away from the tent body so that the rain doesn't drip down into the tent, and make sure to put your stakes in at a 45-degree angle away from the tent so it is better supported.